So here we are, Miramar Beach, and we're going to wallpaper this bathroom with this Canvas Olson. It's kind of a geometrically pattern. Gonna look really good.
Okay, this is a York wallpaper, and York makes great products. They make a lot, plenty to choose from. And this is a 24-inch drop match. So I just kind of look at it, and I'm trying to figure out. I look at the side, look at the side. I'm looking at something that's distinctive, that's gonna draw my eye. I can see that this is different than this. So a drop match, if it was a straight match, it'd be 24 inches straight across. But this is a drop match, so that means it's gonna be at 12 inches straight across. And sometimes that's kind of hard, and sometimes you just have to hold it up, everyone. But I'm noticing, so for me, those are a little bit confusing, but I'm noticing this right here and this right here.
I don't think it matters. I just slap it up.
So I think I'm going to use that for my gauge, and I'm going to do 12 inches above that. And so, because it's a drop match. So a drop would be, for a straight match, it would go from here to here. And every time, or if we're using this as our gauge, this would be our top every time. So a drop match, here it is down here, would go right in the middle, and that's called a drop match. And you know, it takes a little bit of time to learn it, but you can do it, I promise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of vertical symmetry. So the exact wall height is 114 and a half. So I need to do 53 and a half. My table is 5 feet. I need to do 53 and a half. And I'm just going to look at it. I'm going to look back up here. So what they did is they came in, this is cut, is just under that, this cut, the top is just under here. So I'm going to go to 53 and a half. And this is going to tell me, won't matter all that much with this pattern. So that's actually pretty good. That's actually pretty good. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back and look, double check it. Double check, because when I say vertical symmetry, I'm trying to do where on the top is similar to the bottom. So if he does this on the top, you also, here's a big thing. Usually you don't want a line to be at the very top, because most ceilings are not perfect. And so that line can go in and out. And believe it or not, you can have up to an inch off on a ceiling. So really you want to come in the middle, a little above. So that'll give you leeway. So if I give him that much on the top, that's actually a pretty good amount for him to have at the top, and then for him to cut in here. And what I'm going to do, it doesn't matter so much with this pattern, but I'm just going to tell you a little bit of what I do to help Sean installing. I put a little tick. I'm going to do it a little higher, little tick, right where I think I want him to put. It's just a little mark, so he knows that that's where to go on the ceiling. That has just developed over years and years. That thing right there. And so we don't have to communicate that much. He will understand. So I'm going to come down here to 53 and a half, and then to pull that up, and I think that should hopefully work out well. And Sean has already got a layout, and he's already told me that he needs 6 pieces. So that is what I'm going to give him, 6 pieces. So 6 full drops, which would be not cutting for anything. And then when we get into the corner, I'll have to go get a measurement. So there you go. That's how we do some symmetry. Okay.
So I'm gonna try to put her tick right there where she wants it. It's really important to get this straight, because it affects the whole outcome of the job.